Sir John. Honey, you done did it with this one. Hey LaLa Squad, what it do? It's your girl LaLa, and I'm back with a whole nother video. For those of y'all who are new to my channel, I want to say welcome. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe because baby, you in for a ride. And for those of y'all who are not new and you're just returning, thank you so much for coming back. I'm excited to see you. Hopefully the feeling is mutual even though I don't have a wig on. Anyways, today's going to be really fun, interesting, and rich, okay? Why? Because I finally got my hands on the makeup collaboration with Sir John and Disney with the Lion King makeup, and I'm so excited about it because, baby, Sir John is Beyonce's makeup artist, and when I tell y'all that he is amazing, I truly and sincerely mean that, because let's be clear, King B not going to just put anybody on her team, honey. Y'all know her better than that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the packaging. First things first, I want to let y'all know, I went ahead and opened up the packaging already because I wasn't about to let y'all witness me struggling on camera. Bad enough we got to see black women struggling in the real world every day, all day. So I wasn't going to make it 10 times worse by letting y'all see me struggle on camera. Amen? Amen. So yes, I haven't actually opened the package just yet because I wanted to do a true reaction on camera. But I will say from what I've seen thus far, honey, the packaging looks like a check. It looks a little rich, baby. You know what I'm saying? So here is the packaging from the outside. And as y'all can see, honey, it's real. They put a bag into this, okay? And it makes that noise. You know, anytime. That's quality, honey. Quality. Yes. So, wow. Sheesh, this is fire. Okay, so y'all look at this. First of all, you open it up, and it says, Dear LaLa, we are so excited to gift you with this amazing package that we worked so hard on. We can't wait to see what you come up with, and we appreciate you for opening. Okay, let me stop because I actually made that up. They didn't write me a personal message because I'm not that important, but wasn't it nice thus far? But I'm still happy to have my hands on it. Now, here is the packaging. How cute is that? So right here we have the eyeshadow palette. We have the sculpting palette, honey. We have the freaking Circle of Life highlighter. That's cute. I see what they did there. We got matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, da da da. So I'm going to go ahead and do the base of my face. And then we're going to go ahead and actually use the eyeshadow palettes and the sculpting palettes to go ahead and do the rest of my face. So let's go ahead and get into it or whatever. Okay, y'all, so now that the base of my face is done, I didn't put any concealer or anything like that under my eye or anything just in case there's some fallout. Let's go ahead and get into the shadows. Here is the palette. Look at the back of it. It says, can't wait to be queen. Baby, I can't, honey, if I'm not already. If y'all ain't already. Hell, we all queens and kings out here in this piece. This is the palette. It's so adorable. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I have no idea what kind of look I'm about to do. But one thing that I can say is I like how they have the pops of colors at the top. And they also cater to the people who's not necessarily into color. I'm rubbing my finger in it right now. And it's very, very pigmented. Look at how expensive these colors look, honey. Whoo, child. Can y'all see that? Let me swatch it on my arm so y'all could get into it a little bit. I'm honestly in love with these colors, so let's go ahead and get into the eyes. We're going to start with African clay because, baby, it all starts from the ground up. Amen. Now, for those of y'all who are new to my channel, I want y'all to know, I'm not a professional, honey, but I'm not afraid to try stuff at the same time. A lot of people feel like when you're not a professional, you can't do things, and that's not true. I literally enjoy doing makeup, and I'm going to continue to enjoy doing it. And I'm going to continue doing it until I get it all the way right, okay? Just because you new don't mean you got to look a fool. Now I'm going to go in with King to do my inner lid, so that way it's a little bit of a lighter color. I want to go softer on the inside. It don't necessarily have to be too harsh, you know what I'm saying? And also, I'm a big fan of supernatural looking eyes with a little pop, if you will. Now I'm going to go in with Sire. I like it because it's a jewel tone, and I think that looks really cute with my complexion. Something that I like is that they have a little bit of color for every complexion on here, so I appreciate that a lot. Here's what we have so far. Now again, I like natural looking eyes. A lot of people tend to do a lot more shadow. I like to keep it light just so that way, honey, if there's any issues when it comes to my colors, it won't be too obvious. Because again, I'm not a professional yet, so I don't want it to be too obvious that I'm not. Because when people ask, who did your makeup? I'm like, MUA, me, ho. And I don't feel like this could be an official Lion King situation without me using Nyla. So I'm going to take a little bit of Nyla, this cute color, and put it on the corner, the inside of my eyes. Ooh, that is beautiful, honey. And all I'm doing is just dabbing it, honey, a little dab. Ooh, we ain't seen that in a while. Sir John, honey, you done did it with this one. Voila, there's the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and finish out the rest of the makeup using the other palettes that they have. So here is a Sir John collaboration with Luminous. Really cute, honey. This one is called Kingdom, and it's a 6-piece sculpting palette. Here is what they have inside. I'm super excited. I'm going to go ahead and use these to do my contours right after I apply my concealer. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and applied this concealer under my eyes, a black eyeliner above my eyes, and a Morphe Paint Pot blue liner below my eyes, just so I could give it a little bit of a pop. Now we're going to go ahead and get into this palette right here, which is specifically, not pacifically, because we ain't talking about no body or water or whatever, for sculpting, okay? Now this one is the Sir John X Luminous, honey, collaboration with Luminous. All of it is Luminous, by the way. I should have been said their name. My apologies. But yes, these are the different colors that they have for sculpting. And I think that I'm going to go ahead and go with the Pumbaa. The Pumbaa. And go ahead and get the sculpt in my face or whatever. So anyways, here is the Pumbaa that I'm about to go ahead and apply slightly below my concealer, so I can go ahead and break up the monotony there, honey. Give myself a little bit of a cheekbone or whatever. Yes, that's the perfect color. I like to use a brush because that way, to me, it spreads evenly, and I think it just makes for a smoother look, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side as well, just politely dotting it in there and then just blending it out as I go along. And just applying that small amount of powder right there gives me a whole different look. And I love it already. So I like this feeling of the powder. It's really smooth and it's applied super easily. I've actually had powders that I've applied before to where it didn't give me a nice look that I wanted. Ugh. And it was difficult. But yes, I don't ever want a hard line in my face, so I always make sure to go ahead and kind of brush it and blend it out. You know what I'm saying? And I just go ahead and go right about there. I don't necessarily go to my cheek because I like to put a little blush on there. Look at that. Beautiful motherfucking full, baby. Yes, God. And I'm going to go ahead and use that same exact color on my nose, so I can have some definition, some matched definition. I'm going to politely dot it. Notice I said politely because, honey, I got manners, okay? I don't want it to be too harsh, and I like to break my nose right about there. Yes, right about there, honey. And I'm going to go ahead and just dab this a little bit and blend it down. Blend it down. Yes, honey. Woo. It's amazing what a nose contour can do for you, honey. It can either have you out here looking like you got nose reconstruction, or it can have you out here looking like you grew extra weight in your nose. Either way, honey, do what works best for you. I'm going to just go ahead and soften it up just a little bit because I don't want it to look like I truly had nose reconstruction and there's dry blood there, okay? Beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply that same color along my forehead. Just at the top a little bit so I could go ahead and break up the lightness up there. Give myself a little bit of complexion. Also to shorten the height of my long A forehead, okay? For those of y'all who can relate, I appreciate y'all. For those of y'all who can't, I envy you. And I'm going to still take the sponge to go ahead and blend my under eye highlight there. Voila. Time to put on a blush that has absolutely nothing to do with this makeup line. And honey, we got to go ahead and put on the final touches, which is the highlighter. Baby, they call it the circle of life. I'm here for this. I don't know who came up with the naming and all that extra stuff, but I appreciate y'all for it big time. Let me open this highlighter and see what it consists of. Beautiful. I just want you to know. Oh my God, this is cute. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and apply it. Honey, I'm going to make sure I get a whole bunch on this brush, baby. Because I want to glow, honey. I want these hoes, when they see my face, honey, they know, honey. This is the circle of life up on her face. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. All right, I think we're ready to apply it. I'm just going to apply it right below my eye, right above my cheekbone, honey. And here we go. Ooh, motherfucker, goddamn! Ooh, this is cute, honey. Honey, this is mature. This is fire. I love that. Ugh. Honey, I kept on brushing it because I didn't know if there was something on the brush, honey. But when I apply it, it gives me the circle of life. And I don't know the rest. But it's all good, though, baby. Yes. They really got me out here looking like a whole freaking princess and stuff. Hakuna Matata on y'all mother suckers out here in these streets. Of course, I'm going to apply it to my nose or whatever. Child, you got to be gentle with this because if you apply too much, next thing you know, you out here looking a whole motherfucking fool. Why y'all doing this? Like, stop. Why would y'all do that? I'm too hyped. Okay, now let's go ahead and get us some cute lips going. I looked at the different lipsticks and I decided to go with this one, which is called Pounce. It looks super cute. It gives me a soft nude pink type situation, and I think that'll blend best with what I have on right now. So let's go ahead and get into the lips and see what this is hitting for. I put on Date Night Liner by Morphe, so let's go ahead and apply the lipstick and see what it's giving. So soft. I'm applying a whole lot more than what I actually probably should because I didn't exfoliate my lips before I did this. Okay, so there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and take a finishing powder, go over my whole face, go ahead and hit it with some spray, apply some lashes, and we'll see what the total finished look looks like. Okay, y'all, so that concludes the tutorial today that I did with the Surgeon / Luminous collaboration. I'm super excited. I absolutely love the products and I love how it came out. Let me know what y'all think about it below if y'all would be interested in purchasing it. And also make sure you check out the new movie, honey, Lion King, that they brought in 2019. I cannot wait to see how everything looks, how to see if Beyonce is going to be singing, what she going to be doing. I just cannot wait. So yes, honey, if you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you comment and make sure you let me know how you really feel and what else y'all want to see from me. Until next time, honey, it's your girl LaLa Milan. Gracias por mirar este video. Hasta la próxima vez. Bye.